putting a battery in here? Well, I did. A fucking extra boat battery. We're gonna start this thing. Maybe. Then, you know, they're off the beads. Well, at least that one is. That one's flat. Oh, tools. That's always good when you just leave them lay right there like that and get rusty. That keeps them nice and fresh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that one's off the bead too. Now this thing has got I don't know, it's been since, let's see, it's been started once or twice. I don't know. I don't remember the last time I started it, but we lived here 7 years or so, and it's still got North Dakota tags on them. 2014. You know, my wife, she thinks it can be fixed, but you know, she went Baja and stuff, and thinks she's some four-wheel drive queen, and bent the frame and thinks I can fix that. Well, I'm not gonna fix that. Had this thing since it was pretty much new. It had 40,000 on it when I bought it, and now look at it. Well, it's kind of a hunting, fishing rig or whatever, but I don't know. Frame's bent, so piss on that. I ain't fixing nothing. It eats tires up. That's why those shit box ugly rims and tires are on there. Oh, this is fancy. Let's see. See there? 262,000. I got my money out of there. Oh yeah, it does have keys in there. Oh, it's got power. Oh yeah, nice. I put a dead battery in. That's always fucking good. Fuck. So I grabbed my jumper pack, you know. I was gonna, you know, charge it up. Yeah, it's dead. And I borrowed it to someone, and they brought the jumper pack back, but not the charging cord. So thank you for doing that, but I'll charge it on here. Oh. Hood prop. Don't fall off, you piece of shit. What the hell's Magnum doing here? I didn't order anything. Maybe I did. I don't know. Fuck, what's that guy want? Give me my stuff. Oh yeah, and you don't need to worry about. Oh, you don't need to worry about any of those dents right in there and there. You just, you know, you can do whatever to it. You might as well just put like dents in all the corners. Oh wait, there is already. Oh, or you could do that too. Oh damn. It's all good. You can still see out of there. You know, this is only going to be a little bit of this fucking thing here. Because, after I get it over to the driveway over there, you know, over that way, I'm going to put some more skins on it. And then, it's going to be beat down time. Transmission's been rebuilt, so if it lasts the beat down, then maybe I'll just keep that, but the rest of it, fuck off. And don't tell me, oh, there's plenty good parts on that OBS. It's not an OBS, it's a fucking Chevy Tahoe. So anyways, about that OBS thing. You know, I didn't know what the fuck a OBS was until I started this YouTube. But you know, I'm old, so don't hate me because I'm old. But I'll tell you what. And don't hate me because I said it's a fucking or a Chevy fucking Tahoe. I don't know, never heard of no fucking OBS business. And like them bump sides and dent sides and bull nose. I don't know what the fuck all that shit is. I know they're Ford F-150s. 87, 93. I don't know what the fuck, you know, them dent sides and blah, blah, blah. Don't hate on me because of that shit. Oh, you. Oh, damn it, man. And woman, I can't fix it. So stop trying to think I could fix this thing because you want to keep it. We're not keeping it. I'm going to smash it. And, you know, destroy it and all that kind of stuff. I didn't charge this long enough. See, he got smart and went to the back instead of the front. Now, if this don't work this time, then I'm pulling around and, or else I'm putting a battery in. I don't know. Either jumper cables or battery. I probably didn't even have it. Oh yeah, I'll put that on the positive. That's where it goes. Oh yeah, right to dead. It better fucking start. Oh, see? You can still see out that windshield just fine, see? Oh yeah. It only had a little crack. That's just minor. Oh. Come on. Come on. Fuel pump. It's got, I think it's got like, I don't know, 5-6-year-old gas in there. It'll start. It'll be fine. Oh, come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to get some cables and go around the front, I guess. It needs just a little extra. Come on, you pile. See? See, woman? It's junk. I don't even want to start anymore. See, you just drive right through the yard. My neighbors love that. Oh wait, I only have one neighbor, and he tried to take my property. Oh yeah, I had to grab a little bit of that. You know, that might help. Even though it's fuel injected, it should still help. Or not, I don't know. I never used the juice on fuel injected before. So yeah, that should be enough, right? Maybe a little more. Oh yeah, that should be a little more. Oh, I just might as well use it all now. Use it all. I guess I don't have to do. I don't have to do this, do I? That works. I don't think that does anything, does it? Oh, oh. It liked that. Once it fired right up, it needed that juice to help that old gas a little bit. It likes that. Oh, the window still works. And there's some spiders in there. Anyways, it runs. See, it runs good. But I don't care. Well, that's nice. See, it barely did any damage to the tree shit. And that's, you know, you don't have to worry about running over nails or pallets or anything when you've got good tires like that. Oh, it only did a little damage. A little bark. It should still start though. See, I hit that tree and that tool only moved a little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, thanks Peg for that idea, or wherever you got it from. It works good. Let's see if start one more time. Oh yeah, the heater's on. Oh, the heater works. See, you can see good out of that window yet. Oh yeah. It likes that, see? It loves it actually. One more time. It's doing that van thing. Oh yeah, I better roll the window up so it don't get wet in here. Now, woman, oh, I didn't even put it back in its spot. Oh well. Now, woman, don't get all mad about the Tahoe. And that's right, it is a Chevy Tahoe. OBS, guys. Anyways, woman, don't get all mad about the dent. You put all the rest of them in there. I could put at least one in there. And you know, that one lady, whatever your name is, Queen Bee or whatever the hell it is, you know, I don't follow fucking rules of your community rules, or I have my own channel. You know, I ain't gonna follow your rules on my channel, so you can go and take one of these and one of those and one of these. How's that for your community rules, Queen Bee? Well, alright, there's going to be probably a couple more parts. I can't tell you all what I'm going to do to it, but it's going to be good. As Complete Toilet Garage says.
Remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe to this great content.